To manage Bill.com API documentation effectively, start by understanding the basics of the Bill.com API. The Bill.com API is a set of tools that allows developers to interact with the Bill.com platform, enabling automation of tasks such as invoice creation, payment processing, and account management. First, navigate to the Bill.com API documentation portal, where you will find a comprehensive guide to getting started with the API, including code samples and tutorials. Familiarize yourself with the API endpoints, which are the URLs used to interact with the platform. Next, register for a Bill.com developer account to obtain an API key, which is required to authenticate API requests. You will also need to set up a sandbox account to test your API integrations before deploying them to a live environment. Once you have set up your developer account and obtained an API key, review the API documentation to understand the available endpoints and parameters. The documentation includes code samples in multiple programming languages, such as Python, Java, and C#. To make API requests, use a tool such as Postman or curl to send HTTP requests to the API endpoints. Be sure to include your API key in the request headers to authenticate the request. When working with the Bill.com API, follow best practices such as handling errors and exceptions properly, using secure protocols for data transmission, and implementing logging and monitoring to track API usage. In addition, take advantage of the Bill.com API documentation resources, such as the API reference guide, tutorials, and FAQs. The Bill.com developer community is also a valuable resource, where you can ask questions and share knowledge with other developers. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage the Bill.com API documentation and build seamless integrations with the Bill.com platform. Remember to stay up to date with the latest API documentation and releases to ensure your integrations remain compatible and secure.